Are stiff joints making everyday movement a challenge? What if the secret to easier movement is already sitting in your kitchen? Today, we'll reveal the top 3 cooking oils proven to ease joint pain, supported by science, and simple ways to use them daily for stronger, more flexible joints. Let's begin. We'll keep it simple, calm, and practical. And yes, there's research behind each choice. Extra virgin olive oil is a true classic in kitchens around the world. It has been cherished for thousands of years, not just for taste, but for its health-giving properties. For joint discomfort, this golden oil offers a special gift from nature. It contains oleocanthal, which works in a way similar to ibuprofen to reduce inflammation. It gently lowers the body's production of chemicals that cause swelling. Regular use can mean less pain and more fluid movement. Beyond that, it's rich in vitamin E and powerful polyphenols. Think of them as gentle guardians for your cartilage. They help protect the cushion between your bones. Studies show oleocanthal reduces inflammatory markers, warning signals of swelling. When those markers drop, stiffness often eases. Olive oil is food, not a replacement for prescribed medications, but it supports a joint-friendly diet and overall comfort. Use it on salads instead of heavy dressings. Finish steamed or roasted vegetables right after cooking. It boosts flavor and nutrient absorption. Best for low-heat sautéing or as a finishing oil. Try a teaspoon on whole grain toast in the morning or stir into a warm bowl of soup. Small daily uses can protect cartilage over time, helping joints move more comfortably. Simple, delicious, and supportive of active aging. Next, avocado oil. Avocado oil is pressed from lush green fruit, smooth in taste with a high smoke point. It's stable for medium-high cooking, perfect for pan frying or roasting. Use it when you want a reliable neutral heat companion. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, great for heart and joints. Plus vitamin E to protect cells from damage, and helpful compounds like lutein that support overall wellness. It also contains avocado, soybean unsaponifiables, ASUs, studied for supporting natural cartilage repair. Over time, that may slow wear and reduce daily aches. Avocado oil helps lower oxidative stress in joints, giving joint cells a better chance to recover and stay healthy. That protection can mean less discomfort and freer movement. Brush on fish for the grill or on chicken for a juicy sear. Pan fry favorite vegetables with confidence. Finish warm soups and hearty stews with a silky drizzle, or add to cooked grains like quinoa before serving. Whisk with lemon juice and herbs for a quick dressing. It's a gentle yet powerful way to support your body's repair. Small, steady uses can add up to daily ease. Make it a reliable staple in your evening cooking. Next, flaxseed oil. Remember, choose calm, consistent habits. Flaxseed oil is different, pressed from tiny seeds with a light, slightly nutty flavor. It's rich in omega-3s, especially ALA, a natural ally against inflammation. Regular ALA intake is linked with less joint inflammation and stiffness. Studies show consistent ALA can ease arthritis symptoms for many people. That may mean fewer flare-ups and easier mornings. It's a simple addition with calming effects on everyday movement. Flaxseed oil is delicate. Protect it from heat and light. Never use it for cooking, frying, or baking. Use it only cold to preserve its benefits. After blending your smoothie, stir in 1 tablespoon. It's wonderful as a finishing drizzle on salads or over chilled soups like gazpacho. Mix a teaspoon or 2 into oatmeal, stir into yogurt or cottage cheese. Always store flaxseed oil in the refrigerator, in a dark bottle. Use within a few weeks after opening for maximum potency. Seal tightly. Omega-3s degrade with air and light. These oils support health but don't replace your medications. If you take blood thinners, talk with your doctor first. Avoid if you have known allergies to olive, avocado, or flax. Stop use and contact your doctor if unusual symptoms appear. Use the 3 together: olive oil for inflammation support, avocado oil for repair and lubrication, flaxseed oil for omega-3 calm. Their healthy fats also help you absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. For seniors, steady healthy fats offer gentle energy and comfort. Let's close with a hopeful next step. Incorporating these oils can naturally ease inflammation, protect joints, and support active aging. Make small, steady changes in your kitchen. Extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, flaxseed oil. Use them consistently for comfort that builds. Stay active, stay healthy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.